to keep these compass visits, which are basically set by the national curriculum for the sixth graders. The sixth graders came here. The kids at school, they had a pre-assignment to watch these 3 videos that are playing here in the background. And they talk a little bit about what sustainability is and what's been done for it around the world. We ask the kids that what do they know about sustainability, examples of sustainable inventions.
Are you ready, Sweden?
We're ready.
Okay, are you ready, Finland?
Yes!
Now, this is a very interesting moment to connect 2 places. We are in central Finland in the Jyväskylä Art Museum, and Charlotte Graham, our colleague, will open the event.
And this is the problem. In today's climate, sea levels are rising. And where we live here, where you live, it might be a meter more higher in a few years. So that is the problem for today. This is where you live. This is where this class that you see in front of you live. Make a prototype so that the prototype doesn't have to be perfect.
What you guys care about this sentence?
Okay, anyway, but they're melting, so it shouldn't be that. And it could be like a river.
This is the lake, this is Cleveland Lake, and then this is Cleveland Dam.
And this kind of challenge, maybe it's not that much known in Finland, right? So sometimes it's a bit harder to experience that what is like sustainability related problem. To see this in the context that it's very near to us. Right. And then also Swedish-Finnish connection might be something something that they will remember.
Exactly.
Belly, we're making a dam.
Balloon that is gonna lift the Skanör-Falsterbo up from the water and then replace it on the boat.
So our solution would be to improve the wall and make it stronger and taller and more durable, and it has like a curve on the top so the water won't get in.
So what are the keywords in Finnish? So
Vesi is water.
It prevents floods by releasing the water in controlled amounts into a river. Dam is pato. Flood is tulva.
very brave, thank you.
So what's the dome going to be made out of?
We haven't really decided on that yet.
Glass or?
Skydda.
Skydda. Can you say skydda in Finland? Skydda means defend. What other words have you got? 2 more?
Vahva, strong.
Oh, vahva.
It's a dam that turns the water to electricity and turns it to ice too, so it can be transported somewhere else.
Thank you so much for joining from here in Finland and from Sweden. Enjoy the day. Thanks for coming. It was nice to see you. Thank you.
There was some innovative
ideas
ideas
on
in the
both
Sweden.
sides.
Yeah.